Do you have a fish?
Did you catch a fish? Did you really?
Mm-hmm.
Here he comes.
You ready? Look. What is it?
It's
What
a
is it?
fish.
It's a fish. Look, Sissy. What is it? What is it?
It's a fishy!
Caught a fish. Yay!
Pick it up, Aaron Ray. Pick it up.
Put it back in the water. Pick it up. Pick it up like that. Look, that won't hurt you. Hurry. Pick it up. Here. Here. Here, get it. Hurry,
It's
get
a
it. Get
wiggle
it.
worm.
It's a wiggle worm. Get it, Sissy. Get it, Sissy. Oh. Okay, let's put it back. Let it get bigger. Should we put it back?
Yes.
Okay. Bye, fishy.
Was that your... Did you catch a fish, Aaron Ray?
Let's get another one.
Another one?
Uh-huh.
Okay.